Module 14, Final Creative Project. The big finale. You did it. 13 modules. You can type, format, calculate, sort, chart, conditional format, even use Excel AI. Now, build whatever you want. Pick from football dashboards, homework planners, game leaderboards, or your own original idea. Use at least one formula, one chart, and conditional formatting. Make it yours. 5 must-haves in your final project: a clear title, formatted headers, at least one formula, one chart, and conditional formatting. Cover all 5. You're an Excel wizard. Capstone. Build your masterpiece. Show your teacher, your parents, your friends. Earn the Excel Wizard badge. You're now officially an Excel explorer. Keep building. Keep typing, keep tracking. Every spreadsheet starts with a single cell. See you out there.